Today on Brain Powered, I'm going to make this here workbench.
So I started this project out with some scrap OSB I had from a shipping container, and I found some 2x4s laying around that were already cut to size, oddly enough. They were just the right size I needed. So then I decided to take some 14-foot sections of 4x4s and cut them down to 41.5 inches. The reason I came up with 41.5 is because half-inch plywood on top, and I wanted the table to be exactly 42 inches, which is actually the standard height for a bar top. So that's where I came up with that number, and 42 is like the answer to everything. Then I drilled a lot of pilot holes and screwed a lot of boards together. One disadvantage I had with working with scrap wood is that, after sitting for so long, it decided that it's going to start twisting and warping and everything. So, as you can see here, I'm struggling to get the board lined up properly. Yeah, that was fun.
And there we go. Now we have a frame built. Of course, it still needs like center supports to hold the wood. Otherwise, if you set anything heavy on it, it would all just. I still got to do some leg supports on the bottom, but let's put our supports in right now. And look at that. Now we have supports in our table, so it won't go all droopy in the middle. But what are we going to use for a top? I found this old container. And it looks like it had some OSB on the top. So that's what we're going to do. Now I just got to figure out where to put it and everything, and then screw it down, and I think we might be done with this project.
just so the legs don't snap off in the event I put something really heavy on the table, I decided I'm going to take some of my cut-off pieces and I made some spacers and I'm going to attach the support braces to the legs.
There, workbench is done. I really like it. Turned out really well. It's really stable for just being made out of scrap wood I found laying around the shop. And it's really soft. It said engines on here. You're gonna see this table in a lot of other videos upcoming. It turned out really nice. I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and you can press subscribe down below if you want to know when future videos are out. I'm gonna head out of here, guys, and I'll see all of you next time. Peace.